So I got a couple X2Ds in the shop, and first, this one had issues with, well, customer couldn't take out the PTFE tube and pretty much just split it. So I don't know what happened from the factory on this. I can't say if I could blame this on the factory, but this is one issue I was having. As you can tell, the X2D is quite intensive to take apart. This is not simple as like the old P1s or X1s. Pop a couple PTFE tubes out, just press them in. You have to unscrew this one, press this one out, take out the cover, take out the wires, take out the cutters on the side now, take out these, well, actually take out the fan assemblies, take out the screws, and then you get the extruder. So this is quite a bit. Over here, this customer actually has a so I thought this was all filament. Actually, this is this. So yeah, that is what he had. He told me that there's a little bit of goop covering the hot end, and he couldn't replace it, and he was worried about breaking it, so he wanted me to look at it and fix it. This is a bit more than a little gook. So I'm gonna try to see if I can salvage this. I have some cool little tools I play with to try to bring these back without damaging too many of the components. So let's see what I could do. I know I did that for the other one and it came out pretty clean, so I might be able to get away with that. I just gotta keep this thing hot and keep going at it. I'm gonna use the extruder itself, the hot end, to keep it hot while I do this. So I am roughly pumping this thing at 280 Celsius right now. So I don't want to damage any other components with a heat gun, but yeah, see right back here, this is the hardest part, and it's actually coming off pretty easily. So let's see what I could do for this customer. I just feel bad sometimes, you know, I don't want to rip all these things out for them. You know, I try to be honest about my pricing too. I don't try to charge too much, because I know these printers aren't expensive, but they're not cheap either. No one's looking in to throw hundreds of dollars and make a simple small repair. So if I can charge them for an hour or so cleaning up, then it is to charge an hour and then a whole new bunch of parts they don't really truly need, and that's what I'm going to try to do. So try to keep an honest running of a business. This is my side business, but yeah, just thought it'd be pretty cool to show you guys what I'm finding as I'm making all these repairs. But yeah, I'm really surprised how bad this has gotten. I don't know how the AI detection, all that, I checked in the settings, it's all enabled, how it hasn't caught any of this. So kind of interesting. So hopefully Bambu finds this up a little bit more to help prevent this a little bit. But oh, there we go. Cool. So yeah, if you guys ran into any issues with your own printers, let me know. Kind of curious. Oh, there we go. Nice. Yummy. Okay. Happy printing, everyone.